morning, guys. I am back. It's another day. It is Friday. It's April 1st. Happy April. I'm out. I am styling a shoot today, styling another shoot. We going back to Harlem, y'all, where the money resides. But I'm up. It's 9 a.m. I'm on my way. Y'all, I'm back home. I haven't vlogged all day. Well, I vlogged, but I haven't talked to the camera all day, should I say. But I'm back home. Today, I ran some errands. I went to go pick up some stuff I got tailored. And what else did I do? I went to do some returns. I bought some new jewelry. You guys will see in my spring haul. What else? I went to go buy a few things from Dwayne Reed, the beauty supply store. I needed a new bonnet for my new hairdo. I changed my piercings, so I went to go change the jewelry for my piercings. It's almost gonna be a year since I got my nipples and my navel pierced. That's crazy. Got it in May, so I could have been changed it. I waited a while, but yeah, I got them changed today. Super cute. And just unpack and try on my stuff that I got tailored. I didn't try them on there. I don't know why. I just didn't feel like taking off my clothes. So we're gonna try it on now, make sure everything is good. Everything better be good because I gotta go all the way to 72nd Street to do that, and I do not feel like traveling again, so I hope it's good. So yeah. I will check it with you guys. You guys will see the pieces in my spring haul as well. The pieces I just got tailored, you guys will see that. So stay tuned for the spring haul. Hello guys, so just made it back home. Went to the nail salon because a nail broke and I went to go fix it. You know, can't have strays, so we went to go fix the nail. Back home, about to get something to eat. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I am starving. So yeah, made it back home. Just wanted to come in here and check in with you guys. Like I said, I ran some errands, returned some stuff, went to the Ralph Lauren sample sale. Pretty chill day. I'm about to go eat, and then I want to film some YouTube videos, edit one, post it today. Yeah, I got some things to do. So I'm about to go like chill for a little bit because I feel like I woke up and just was like zoom out the house. So eat, chill for a little bit, and then get some work done. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey y'all, it is a little later. I told you guys I was gonna be back because I want to do better with my vlogging. But I filmed both of my YouTube videos for the week. I just have to edit them and post. Right now, it's a little later. I'm about to cook. I'm about to make some turkey burgers with some sweet potato fries, which I'm excited for. I've had these turkey burgers in the freezer, and I'm like, let me cook some turkey burgers tonight. Let me make something different. You know, I like to change up the recipes, make different shit. So it's turkey burgers, but I haven't eaten turkey burgers in a while. So turkey burgers, sweet potato fries, that's on the menu for tonight. Hello you guys, I am vlogging again. We are back. I do not remember the last time that I vlogged, but yeah, I'm here. It's another day. It is May 3rd. I'm heading out right now to go play golf with my brother. This is our first time going golfing, so we're gonna see how this goes. My brother wanted to go golfing, and here we are. So he's at work. He's meeting me from work, and I'm leaving home, so we're about to go play golf and get some food because I'm hungry. I was like, this food I just put right. He was like, yeah. So we're gonna play golf, we're gonna eat. Of course, I'm gonna vlog, you guys will see. But yeah, we're back vlogging. I told you guys I have to pick up the camera more, like, because I'm not used to vlogging like every single day. I'm just used to vlogging like in certain occasions, but you have to pick up the camera more, vlog more. But Let's go. This is the look of the night. Look of the night. All right, we gotta go. Good morning, you guys. I am starting another day of vlogging. I do not remember the last time that I vlogged, but I'm here. It is May 31st, 2022. It is 9:09 a.m. It's the last day of May. We are setting good intentions for June. Good things are coming. But I've been up doing some little like office work, prepping for June. And I was like, let me vlog again, which I haven't been like, and I've been doing a lot. Like I've been going out, I've been going to brunch, I've been going out at night for dinner, and your girl has not been vlogging one bit. I really have to like get in the zone of vlogging. But of course I'm gonna insert like little clips that I get, because I'm always like recording stuff just because I like to record things, but I haven't like been vlogging per se. So I'm up, like I said, I've been doing some like, little office work, and I'm about to go eat breakfast, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna edit YouTube video that I was supposed to post this past Friday, but I'm gonna edit now and post it right now. And then later on, me and my brother, there's a Virgil Abloh Louis Vuitton exhibit in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, showing off his last sneaker that he created, the sneaker that just came out. So there's like an exhibit for that. So I'm gonna go to that, go see it. And of course I'm gonna be vlogging, and yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on today. I got other things to do. Of course I have to film, the edit. I want to film like a Cannes Film Festival TikTok of like the fashion and stuff. I'm actually gonna edit and post part 1 of a day in the life of a wardrobe stylist. That's what I'm gonna title my vlogs. So that's what I was supposed to post last Friday, so I'm gonna edit and post that today. Good afternoon. It is the next day. Yes, I started vlogging yesterday. Well, I did vlog the whole day, but I just didn't speak only yesterday morning. But yes, you guys saw yesterday I went to the Louis Vuitton Virgil Abloh exhibition of the new Air Forces that are coming out this month. So it was pretty cool, pretty chill. I thought it was going to be like more. It was pretty small, but it was cool nonetheless. And then, so I went with my little brother, and then we went and got some Mexican food. You guys saw that. I got some tacos. It was Taco Tuesday. Without me even realizing it was Tuesday, I just wanted tacos because I love Mexican food. But now, yeah, we're here. It's Wednesday. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I did a stretch, a workout, I prepared to film. So I just finished filming. I filmed a video for my music channel. If you don't know, I have a music channel. It's called Bria Loves Music. I'll link it up here in the cards. And then I filmed a TikTok for the Cannes Film Festival. I did like a little TikTok fashion review, so I just posted that. So that's what I've been doing. I've been pretty much working for the whole day, and then I'll be back to work tomorrow, and then I'll be off again on Friday, and then Saturday I'm will work. But Saturday I'm leaving early because I'm going to a brunch. I got invited to a brunch. We're gonna get right into the music video. Hello everybody, good afternoon. It is Wednesday. What's today's date, honey? It is Wednesday, June 8th. I am heading out right now. It's 11:30 a.m. I'm about to head out to go get my nails done. I just gotta fill in. This one broke like 2 days ago. It was going so well that I put on my shoes, put my finger in the bag, and then boom, it was done. So we're about to go get that good old fill-in. Woke up, I ate breakfast, I worked out, took a shower, moisturized my skin. You know, skin is smooth, okay? My skin is smooth. And now, yeah, I'm heading out to get my nails done. Gonna come back, film, edit, and I gotta do some like miscellaneous like office work, send out emails and all that. So yeah, we trying to get back in the vlogging bag. This weekend was fun. I did vlog a little bit. I went out with my friends. We went to a brunch. Then we popped into like a little art gallery. We went on a rooftop. We went to a bar. We played pool. We had drinks. We had shots. Like, this weekend was a lot of fun. That's the type of summer I'm trying to have. Out with my friends, having a good ass time. This is my last summer in my 20s. I'm gonna be 29 next month. So we're just trying to have a good ass time, all right? And manifest some more work and consistent styling work, because it's been giving me a lot of anxiety and sleepless nights.